One of Earth's major problems at the moment is water pollution, caused by marine dumping, the different usage of pesticides, industrial waste throughout the countries, and soap in general. They all affect one of the most valuable resources that exists on Earth, water. To make it short and quick, marine dumping consists of throwing litter down into different oceans, lakes, and rivers. To prevent it, avoid dumping trash into your bath or sink or toilet because all of it will eventually end up getting into the different oceans, lakes, and rivers and then kill thousands and thousands of different marine animals.
Water pollution is now one of the principal problems of our generation, and it is mainly caused by man. One of the major problems is pesticide that we put in our fields to fight against pests, insects, and animals. The pesticides are chemical and they are used to protect the farmers' plantations. But when they put it in our fields, the sun's heat evaporates pesticide and it goes into the atmosphere where the gas is changed in rain and some days after it fall into our water bodies. Another consequence of using pesticide is that it goes into the groundwater and we use this water to drink. Pesticides are toxic for our organism, so the situation is critical. Fortunately, there is solution. Scientists can treat our water and they can remove the pesticide who's into it, and the government has prevented to use some toxic pesticide. If you want to help, you can by buying some organic farmers product who don't use pesticide for our product and inform your population about the problem.
Water pollution nowadays is mainly caused by industrial waste that are dumped in fresh water. It's the cheapest way to get rid of those. The most frequent chemicals that are found in rivers are asbestos, lead, mercury, phosphate, sulfur, oil, and petrochemicals. These products are very harmful to the marine life but for us too. For example, exposure to asbestos can lead to a few types of cancers. Governments are trying to eradicate this problem by legislating the maintenance of industrial waste. Scientists are trying to find a cleaner and cheaper way to get rid of those chemicals that have a catastrophic consequences on the ecosystem. As a normal person, you can help identify, report, and stop polluters. And you can encourage eco-friendly industries by buying their products. You can also be more careful with your domestic materials. For example, don't dump your old gallon of paint down the drain. Take it to some place where they will recycle.
Recent studies have proved that even soap can become a cause for water pollution. Last week, a study from the University of Minnesota found that increasing amounts of triclosan, an antimicrobial ingredient used in soaps, toothpaste, and even over-the-counter drugs, were present in lakes across the United States. When it gets washed into our drains and into our wastewater infrastructures, it is impossible for them to remove all of the triclosan, and over the time ends up in our lakes and becomes a risk to aquatic organisms. But triclosan can also become a threat to us, for it can alter hormone levels, causing decreased thyroid function and increased growth of breast cancer cells. Plus, a report from the Center of Disease Control in 2008 found that triclosan is present in the urine of 75% of the United States population. We are called to be aware of the products we use in our everyday lives.